just came back to Chiang Mai to give you some updates about the lifestyle here as a digital nomad. But first, let me show you something. This is the Nomad Summit. They attended it a few years ago and they started in Chiang Mai, so they just brought it back after 5 years. So in this conference, I'm gonna be one of the hosts, so we're doing audio tests. And man, it feels different, you know. I always been speaking in conferences, but I never done the hosting. Ready? You ready for the conference?
I'm so ready for the conference, Sergio.
Hey Sergio!
I think I know that guy. Welcome to Chiang Mai.
Hello, thank you very much.
Sergio? Yeah, oh my god, I've seen your videos. I've seen your videos on YouTube.
Alright, today's the first day of the Nomad Summit. They're gonna be one of the hosts and we're gonna have pretty cool talks today. So I'm very excited. Has anybody seen my YouTube video by any chance? Oh wow, this song, right? Thank you. I want you to make new friends, to go all of the temples, to travel around, to get to know the Chiang Mai experience. The next speaker is Bikram Bharati. He's the founder of the Draper Startup House, which I visited, the one they have in Canggu, Bali. This is a very interesting topic. So let's bring Bikram to the stage.
And my mission with this company is to experiment to see if we can build completely virtual countries, 100% digital, sovereign nations with no land.
Chris, you're one of the new owners of Nomad Summit.
Yes, and I'm so grateful for all the people showing up here.
There are three main ways to be a digital nomad and make a living. First is like remote employee, then freelancer, and then entrepreneur. And with each one, you get more freedom, I guess.
So how many people here have ever sold their business?
The other thing, I think you already know the fact that Chiang Mai is the top 3 cities on the Nomad list, right? Because I really do want to see, Chiang Mai to become another, Asian Berlin.
Is Chiang Mai the digital nomad mecca?
Yes, it's an amazing place. The weather is great. It's not so hot like in many other places. There's just a really, really chilled vibe here that I enjoy.
People still care about Chiang Mai as a digital nomad destination. Everyone's always like looking for the best new thing. So when you've just been around, it's like, are we still relevant? I think so.
And this is actually probably my last digital nomad talk ever. I'm retiring from the business. I've already handed off the Nomad Summit to Christoph and Kai. And today I really want to leave every single person here with all the life lessons and digital nomad lessons.
Hola amigos.
Thank you for making the Nomad Summit and I'm happy that it's back. Because of Nomad Summit, I created my YouTube channel and now we're here. So.
Yeah, it's all full circle. Actually, I met a lot of people who got their business started in previous Nomad Summits. Yeah. If it's happening again in January, it's the perfect time to come because it brings all the other nomads here. And then you spend a month or two in the perfect weather in December or January. And you're like, oh, Thailand's amazing. I can see why people liked it.
Yeah. So yeah, the first day of the conference was a success. I think people like my hosting, the first time that I ever do it. And now we're just gonna have dinner in this place called Stories in front of the Iron Bridge. Nomad Summit! So I came to check out this new cute place called Mood. It's very close to my apartment. And I found it through Global Nomad Pass, the membership that I use to get discounts and also best hidden gems. And here in Chiang Mai, as you can see here, there's a few options. And over here you get the Mood. You can see this says Nomad Special. And you get 20% discount with the QR code. So I ended up ordering a Tanin Don, Japanese meal, and a Sunny Mango. That's like their signature smoothie. And yeah, after eating all this delicious stuff, now I can get my 20% discount through Global Nomad Pass. I'm just gonna tell them, get the QR code, and voila. But man, the food's really good. So if you wanna find really cool places like this ones in Chiang Mai, I'm gonna put the QR code here so you can download this Global Nomad Pass. I have a limited edition one that you can use here in Chiang Mai and any other places. It's gonna have my name, Sergio Sal, over there. Also links in the description if you wanna get it. All right, second day of the Nomad Summit. We have more conference. My friend Johannes from Nomad Cruise is gonna talk.
Hello everyone, hello, good morning and sawadee ka.
And welcome to the future. So let's talk about ChatGPT, or as I call it, Jippy.
These last 5 years haven't just brought us difficult times, but also really accelerated remote work, digital nomadism. People can be so much more free.
Feliz Fukuoka! Yeah! You said that you came here? Or?
Yeah, because I watched your video and I really liked how deeply You showed like the place, the vibe here, the atmosphere.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. Like that's what I want. I want to help people like understand the cities, right? It's really cool to get approach and people telling me that my videos impact their life. Really cool. That's why I go to these summits, you know.
Satlantis is also a social network, but we are using an open source protocol called Nostr that helps you connect with like-minded people.
Firstly, I want to thank the Nomad Summit for giving us this opportunity that we won, me and So.
Chris, thank you for making the Nomad Summit again, and hopefully every year. And yeah, let's make Chiang Mai be the Mecca again. So
thank you for being part of this. All get up from your chairs, come here on this stage. We'll take a big picture together.
So yeah, we're closing the conference with this pool party, but we're just having fun here, getting drinks, ending the main conference part.
Welcome everyone to the Content Creators Lunch.
After the main conference, there was also Nomad Week full of self-organized activities, like dinner meetups with communities such as Nomad Cruise, and also a full billathon contest. Today in the Nomad Week, I'm doing a premiere of one of my videos. Before making it to YouTube, I'm gonna put it for Nomad Summit.
And I heard I might be in that video.
Oh yeah, you're actually gonna be that. It's Pipa Brazil. I'm gonna serve 30 buckets of popcorn for the people who attend the Nomad premiere.
Popcorn and black pepper.
Oh, thank you. Couple ka.
I met Sergio for the first time back here in Chiang Mai. A few years ago now, put your hands together for Sergio Sala. It's gonna be live next Sunday. So you're the first ones watching this video.
So we just landed in Natal Airport. So basically 2 airports to take you to Pipa.
I met up with Christoph, who gave us a full tour of the house he's staying in at his co-living. It was a special.
Alright guys. Thank you everybody. Should we get just a cheer? Yay! Hey!
John Ho. It's another friend that we met like 2 years ago, something like that. You had one co-living, the old co-living. You have a second one that we're here right now.
Alt Chiang Mai and Alt Ping River.
Okay. Yes, Alt Ping River.
So when we found the space, it was an abandoned hotel for a few years already. So the rooms were empty, no aircon, no furnitures, and then there was a swimming pool here. This used to be a swimming pool.
That's why.
Yeah. Now we have 30 bedrooms and 40 working desks, and this will be our second location.
One of my dreams is to have a co-living working space. So
yeah?
We'll talk about it later.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I'll help you build one.
How's it going? May, what is this place? Come on.
It's a dessert shop. Mango sticky rice, cake and mocktail. But my mom been like cooking the desserts for more than 30 years.
You feel like you need it daily.
You always coconut.
Yeah. Shredded coconut, sugar, and it's really good.
It's good stuff.
Yeah.
You're gonna think.
Best coconut cake in Chiang Mai. People's comments about May's mango sticky rice and desserts from all over the world.
Oh, mine is there over there.
Okay, yeah.
Famous.
So if people come, they can see your.
They can see there. Yeah.
The original Sergio Sala now.
She was in the Chiang Mai video that I made of the night market, and people like recognize with the video. It's so fun. Anyway, I just wanted to give you some updates about Chiang Mai. You see, it's changed, but not that much. That's what I like about this city. Always gonna keep its core, like the people, the food, the things to do. Pretty good place. Anyway, see you in the next video. Ciao.
Love you, bye.
Oh, you got it there.